sky was heavy, painted gray. I thought the sun had lost its way. Every road felt cold and long, but silence taught me my own song. Every crack lets in the light, every shadow meets the night, and every heartbeat keeps the time, leading me back to life. After the rain, the colors show. Flowers find a way to grow. Every tear becomes the sea, carrying tomorrow into me. I'm still standing, still the same, just a little stronger than yesterday. After the rain, I finally see the light was always inside of me. I don't need perfect, I need true. A winding path, an open view. Every ending writes a start. Every scar redraws the heart. If the wind begins to change, I learn to dance instead of break. Every dream worth holding on keeps singing through the dawn. After the rain, the colors shine. Every broken piece aligns what I fear to set me free. Now the horizon calls to me. I'll keep rocking, unafraid, with every choice that I have made. After the rain, I know my name. I'll keep rising again and after the rain, I'll keep rising again.